Forget to go to no forget to me na me king no forget to me na me king of YouTube, king of Kumawood, king of Ghana film industry no according to
Oba what me chimit na ho tumi for say ne fa adwen papa ne fananti
or the credits and my the credits Likee on my pride ahomaso a dey ahomaso on my name ruling obia o ego but how to manage that another plus Emma Dr. Likee
na dey adwen papa nanti a ebeboa ofa me ti wo futu bebre ofa na me nim some talent me nim ade a ohu no me mu wotimi fa fon o afre me ne we dey na me frɛ wa chia o me hu so friends na me obi te ho a na me dey ato ama o mo te wo na hu say aha me twese ni
nti ho na o ka kire Akabenezer say offer wo e na wo ma me ye de me ye no si status ni Lemfi asa aka omuhu biem Paulino there make just suggest download Lemfi na use a free nay ekosi 9th of September Lemfi says so use Lemfi dey send this guy about $50 €50 £50 or chow 2% cashback straight and so we'll send this guy come on for now we nya percentage Lemfi pay and app a bitimi aye and to just go straight on your Google Play Store and I say iOS never download the Lemfi. Kai say Paulino me na me catch you to be use promo code Paulino POLEENO. Lemfi can surprise you anytime and to just download Lemfi next start to use Lemfi na enjoy ne pa Lemfi edema the lovely customers. Forget to go to no forget me na me king no forget me na me king of YouTube, king of Kumawood, king of Ghana film industry no according to Director Garbin. Or in some way to abra or treto on the Facebook page say my main fan me ready or say I think Dr. Likee is the most selfless Kumawood actor of all times and Vivian Jill is the mother of Kumawood and this is more important in life than being the GOAT and or here into brackets greatest of all times. My name is Garbin, the lion of Kumawood. Sir and a Director at the echo to the Facebook page. Na Paulino me hu yere na me say indeed so oka ansem a waka in there me Paulino me support you with $100 of cement yentimi fancy Kumawood die and I say Kumawood cinema because ansem a waka no ewom as director waka we no and praises be or we need not to wait say nipa na eba beka and I say obeba be eyewe the enti America we ne say you heard Dr. Likee ebe ye the era of Kumawood na enyoma bebre na Dr. Likee put in place measures bebre and I put in place to the extent say oba UK Paulino me ne twetwe nkoma no ka say o see a dine a full house obe contain stars not stars. Okay, they will become a stars in the future. But we see full house or they be hosting of what or be fish out as talent or money baby da. Meaning so I be baby are not tell bre mind or to them one of the boys are money baby that's a monjina montinem and or don't compare baby for tonight. And see or catch him say oh see a dine at the IS aden I am one but I mean say a dino ebia by now they or yeah every Paulino a hana obinya all the gist. Into your case or a selfless no ahanye me won wa hwe engofo bebre o ho a wo boost on YouTube o ho a no afro onye adwuma minim say engofo so complain say bia ye pena yenya no eno dey normal because pressure and demand no e won so say demand wo so there pressure wo so nti enye de bia but I think say willingly no nya free time bia otimi koye adwuma ma ne colleague actor otimi koye adwuma ma ne nkra na otete o mu no bia and wama enkra bebrenya ni da so ewo Ghana and I say the space of filmmaking no because what share say o djuma bia wo ye bia no say wo ye ni ye na o dedicate wo homa adwuma na obetimi anya so aba and we blow enyam na mbeka ye nyina ye nim say we blow a lot of people me mention names in there or blow a lot of people nti Director Garbin ka say mo nanyam wa and all the twice no say mother of Kumawood so ye Vivian Jill Lawrence obia o Kumawood bia can testify to this say Vivian Jill Lawrence Vivian Jill me ma me prekope I am go for bebre and tia say me pen asem too much. Or ye more than nipa. Maybe if I have the chance to say something about her, I'm a cast asem way. Or dream nipa ho. Or no why or ye that type no grade or betimi afro so where did you need a breath be didi. That type nipi no. Or dream nipa ho. Enti anything bia concerning Kumawood ye bibia or dream home make sure say bibia in place. Why ye bebre, why ye a lot. And na obi o sinim bia nim sa asem way. Nti Director Garbin na ngasa ba abonti obekan no na o se poli no me so me ba na me bechirim nti e ba sa nam say Dr. Likee ben me wo fa no Vivian Jill ben me ma me no de a ene o se poli no multimedia yeso ye ka se Kumawood na say Ghana film industry no se ne nkoso pa de e be koso pa de e wo se poli no multimedia yeso ye fato ye na so na yeso ye try say die betimi aye de aboa foforo bia ma omo project ebe ko yen subscribers and ye viewers so de yen fan cameo bia enti polino multimedia ye be ya apunum say adwuma no eye adwuma o ye de project Kumawood and the face of Ghana film industry there we come willingly sometimes and as offer willingly ye be back without charges ne ya be boa ne ya promote adwuma bia obi ye bia Ejuma bia obia bia no willingly polino multimedia there say obe support Kumawood works bia because all her polino multimedia will find her polino multimedia mami so polino multimedia will fire selfless na polino multimedia mami say mother of Kumawood there na polino multimedia you need choice say you be hold the Kumawood game na say the Ghana film industry no enti na all our content no you specify say you dey project actors and as films most of the times we can do other contents to say why other content but I would say 70% of our content is to project the film industry because a whole na yes ya producers actors me acted producers movie editors special effects editors and directors a lot script writers adwuma bebre aboa the industry over years, more like 16 years ago. And see, Yaboa, ama industry no so enya and munyamo polino multimedia there. Yenya, yebekoso aye. Inti say we project bia na here polino multimedia supporter. We are there to support. Unless say you say bia project no aye for your own selfish interest there. Sa no there, you be charge. You charge so there ano den. And now because you be throw back on free beam because see who say nye adwuma ne kan ko na wo de pe na wa na wo pe wo ho animu nyama nye adwuma ne dia we will charge you but minim say ye big nkofo bebre ho a they are doing like channel like African Kissing Lab. Just go and check on YouTube. They are doing amazing works. Polino Multimedia, we always try to support them fully if only they call for our support there we day. We are there to promote Obia. And see if you are there, say oh yeah, Juma, you can contact Polino Multimedia because as we are there, no there, we will make sure your channel the best support. The film industry will work and bounce back like before, like we always say, no. And see and some Dr. Likee ya can't find no. No, and Dr. Likee so na acrobat to go see and a much train come off for acrobat. Na eno na ofa bisa and say Likee oh yeah lot for bebre to say there and Director Garbin kai say we selfless no a day na inspire e ho na o kire acrobat to say e you no acrobat and this is a person we can't joke with or the credits and the credits and on yet on my pride in ruling no Dr. Likee on my pride ahomaso a ede ahomaso on money ruling obia nya ego sometimes but how you manage your ego sometimes I thought that you think that does it worth it say me you say that I think I have to keep mute on this one I think I have to move on obia o ego but how to manage that another plus Dr. Likee nti ho na o ka kire akrobeto say offer wo e na wo ma me ye de me ye no see status ni Jones Ajima director Jones Ajima J Films. Yes, that is near JDA channel. And go for Okachi J say, Yang, a ya cromfo na J A U C. Emma J am Paba Cosu Yusuye. Emma walk acrobat so chain by him. Utimi frame was near the phone crowd to loudspeaker say acrobato. And I air frame like you know. And I said that time, Rasta Nene, not Nenam for who say, eh, on so any munyam for. Inti no ene didi ni trima no so okay ene se nyame adom no wato nhyira gu meso a ama meso ma fefe kama ankofo obi ebo medin a obi abenya meso mfa so a ene e wasa meso me kai se na menye obi a osini mu no a akrobeto twen me ben ne ho na ofre me no wo hye me nkran no e wasa meso me yes ma afoforo ene o course a na o kire me se nka akrobeto wo de atrimoden ene kire me anka meso me de atrimoden na be kire me nkran. Nesenka omo benefits is say no the likes of Opoku Bilson Chichiku 3940 Atadwe a whole lot no and they will not benefit. It's like you say a acrobat to suban or dan the chair no previously no and no and ama or no so I yet to say the otia or no so try say ma nenyo no nko obe try say obe boa nkofo bebre na ma menka de obi etre ye after say ansa na akohwe Dr. Likee video a one acrobat ye no me de kakra beto no ahwe bi eho e na obi be comment o Frank Fifi post na say de all kano say the Dr. Likee ka chi acrobat say o kai de acrobat aya ma no enti na ono so ye ma afoforo no say the Yesu kai say said the opese yenyam me nyankopon me nyama yes ama afoforo ne nyame emfa so enhia enti like you say on the acrobat ye man enti ono so ya ama afoforo na no na David Owusu ebe comment we post na say you are right director one next or chair director Frank Fifi Garbin say the all can dey no true do us. In fact Dr. Likee is very respectful and remembers his past next ono so confirm the Likee can or say he called me somewhere last year through our DOP, Gav, Mali, just to check on me. He encouraged me not to leave production work and that he remembers the good work I have done before. He also promised to be available anytime I need him for work. I was so touched, and since then, when I say screenshot na minya no esi since then, I saw no so who like say, oh yeah. Or yeah, the selfless Kumawood actor yenya no. It's here a conversation on the acrobato etwetwe yen kakra bi ewo ha. I'm so full video now credits no ewo you get to know where the full video is. Now so bi abrabom no ni nyina ne say ye mo aboye ho na obia entimi enriching the goals. Nyankopon hira so hwe me. Nyankopon hira say oje mre a wa subscribe to channel we are done da wo hwe ene ye team nyina fresh boy Papa J password YA the Lord Father your manager over US United States of America more supported team we na team we no ye bompa ye say the nyoma P ena makwan so a ye de bra ye de beboa the film industry and as a Ghana entertainment as a whole
Oba utimi chimeti na ho tumi for say ne fa adwen papa ne fananti na ade adwen papa nanti a ebeboa wo ofa mati wo futu bebre ofa na menyim sem wo talent menyim ade a ohun no mi mu utimi fa fon wo frɛ me ne we de na me frɛ wa chia wo me hu so friends na me obi te ho a ame de ato ama wo mo te wo na hu say aha me twesini we twesini ofa do this one and over killer obi afa wonye me kai say Jones any start say oni ye adwuma obi ko ka kire Jones blast oni an Roberts ena eje adwuma ba bla no susu abamu mu wow osoye mu de kakra eti mi sua ne me bi firi adwuma ne mpanfo hu say ekwan ofa so hu say mo talent oboa me ma ene mesuma bedrum pempensuo bi no eti se mu se me nuanom street boys ni bi so na no mo talent na akai me wo de no se eni ade na me moa enipa asomesi ana enipa me moa no because ya di me those days ni ya di me di wachi me ni tutu ne sefo o ba na wudi animu ne eba enti saa tam no obi hwe movie na ohu na abekaye etu nam ko obi timi hia na omo boss e di tirimo di ho akobeto mo ne no enti da bia wudi no ne di twi but ofa wo abama mu se bia na ne beba ba jimi fe na ne beba ba yesi why otu ni nyina agu yi enti mi gina saa de nso eni nipa me boa no de oba no mintimi nye de me so meye no ontimi nye enti se me boa na ade nti na daachi bi me so me nya mfaso enti me hwe nipa no be me am so me ye dey am so me boa no na me so me boa no ofanya me anim ne kuri so opam me na aba me timode a ka saa de no na me so me gina so anka me so me de be na
ba onim bibi hwe gunu upon say ye nim so yin pa bonefo unu wi mo kontokwa mo ye street guys metete answer but when you come closer to me let me who say wo from let me who say bibi ne ma wo yesa
correct
oh adibo wa ahoche ne manipa ekote bia bi musa oh esubra wo bebe me no they are nowhere but uduma wurawura adwuma ma no kurani utim so omunyina so obi ekone level kakaka edi ne ba wadwum so obeye sa boa sa street boys na se bo nga hu se omunye obi abate onso bebo omo anyi ba bi agina
yo ofa ne me so me fa sa akonya we so na me so ma da wase ofa de tie ne se ye ba sini adwuma mu na ye beto mo no me beto me wo ye nia ofa ya de nyina ejako Mesiesi edu Nana Mama Brown Matilda Sare Vivian Jill Kumawood Leren ene nipa bebre ofa in fact ye beto mo no me kasa me bubodi na edoso ye beto mo no sebe na yeso ye wo street na ye wo ye tirim na ne mo de no emfa but ye brand mo so no mo ampa mo ye da abribia sata mo pa ye young ye hell da be na be hu akrobeto etisi ye basset no so kwa na me ne me nwa tutu nya me fa ne kransie bia wo bia awade man ba bi panda na ye ben mo a na ye hye de twa picture na ye so ye de kire so eti ama ye ni ji sabe no so ye ben mo na mo mpam ye no na mo tuefo se nene adwuma na wo ba mu no se kire bi wo sa akọ ebeye wi akodi bone ana so akọ gina ba bi na akọ ntokwa a ene adwuma na nya dai emfa unya adaje ye dai etuyefo etim de ade bi tumitim se na ne mi di akrobetu echi ne se papa ya kasa asem ya kyerɛ me a mintimi nko gyina ba bi nya dai anko mintimi nko gyina ba bi nko ye dede ene adwuma no mo abira ene saade a me niema bi wo hɔ a esem tutugu na mi twa so na me nim sɛ daakye adwuma no bɛyɛ dai ɛbɛboa me ɔfa nyame enum ne kuro ni to da bi ko ani abamabu ni ebe yie saa na tie ye nyina ba ye saa sei ehwɛ papa ni nkura nsa a wɔde ma me a
akai sɛ obeyisu lemfi an wo kura ye lemfi support to say UK ameway Canada, US, Germany, Italy, Ireland, Netherlands, any countries like can ho download the lemfi never send this ka coffee na kai sɛ lemfi de all the send this ka emodu aside say mu edu no sika na save esa ebedru entem amount lemfi pe any app o download now you see promo code Polino POLENO obeche bibi kakra na lemfi ye achede be reward from now to 9 September or say o send this ke bia e bro £50 $50 €50 or chow 2% cash back straight into your account and your lemfi abia entimi enye lemfi be ye na omasia it just download lemfi na kai Polino me na ka chiro it is promo code Polino POLENO macra